Let's go.
Mommy.
Mami.
Dad.
Tinawag ka rin pala.
Let's go, Mommy.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh, sige,
Alright.
Tita
Alright.
Do.
Excuse me, Tita Doc.
Okay, anong band-aid gusto mo?
Orange, the blue one.
Which one?
This one.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Naangat niya yung braso niya.
Oo nga. O, tingnan mo si Kuya Tom. Malung pa si Kuya Tom.
Strong naman eh. Oy.
Ouchie.
Ouchie. What's that, ouchie?
A little ouchie lang. Ate
doon
Jessa,
Tingin.
marunong mag-count si Tomo?
Okay, come. Okay.
Mamaya
Wala,
po.
dito ka. Para nandun nakatingin si Tomo. Dito ka po. Sorry. Ayan, oh, look at dito.
Doon sa camera.
Yes.
Huwag na kay Mami.
Hag ka na
Huwag ka titingin kay Tita Do.
Look at the
One, two,
camera.
three.
Don't swing your...
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Wala pa.
Dito daw mag-count.
Si Tita Do, doon ka na
Oh,
titingin.
sige, ganito. You count 1.
Doon ka na titingin.
Tingin ka sa camera.
Okay.
Naka-video yan. Sabi mo, strong ka.
Do you know how to count?
Yeah. 1, 2,
2.
3, 4, 5, 6,
Tanda lang.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Time's up na!
Time's up na.
Kanina
Tingin
pa.
na.
Kanina pa finish eh.
Ano sasabihin mo? Sabihin mo.
Thank you so much, guys! I'm not crying anymore.
Thank you, Tita Do.
Thank you, Tita Doc.
Just put the pen. That's it.
Oh, si tapos na.
Oh, check up tayo ha.
Lay down ka daw. Check tummy.